Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Can we talk about my eye makeup? I just finished a Pride look. I have never done a Pride look in like the 5 years that I've been filming makeup videos. I've always just been so scared of color and I just feel like it's not gonna look good on me, but I am loving this look. I even have on Pride lashes. Can you guys see the tip? It's a rainbow. Like, I am obsessing over this eye makeup right now. Like, I didn't think it would come out nearly as good as it did, and it came out good. It's not perfect, but I just think it's so fun. Let me know what you guys think. I did do a little mini sped up like tutorial on TikTok, so I will be posting that next week, but let me know what you guys think of this look, and if you want to see a more in-depth like YouTube tutorial on it, I will 1010% do that for you. But that is not what today's video is. Today's video is a good old-fashioned Sephora and Ulta haul. I have a bunch of stuff in this box from Sephora, and I have some stuff from Ulta as well. So if you guys are interested to see what I bought, because I'm just a shopaholic and I can never just stop, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this haul. So everything is just kind of like mixed together. There's Sephora Ulta here, there's Sephora Ulta in the Ulta bag. Like, everything is just like a hot mess right now. So I'm just gonna pull through stuff, tell you where I got it from, and go from there. So, okay, so let's start off with this. This is new from Supergoop. This is their glow screen. Now, I already own the glow screen, but I picked this up because this is tinted. So this is called Golden Hour, and this is just pretty much like a bronzy. I already tried it. I don't know if you guys can tell on the cap. I'll just take like a little dab and show you. So that is what it looks like, and it's golden, and it gives you like a beautiful bronzed glow, and you don't look weird. Like, it gives you a really like natural golden just glow. I just did a TikTok on it. By the way, every single one of these products, there is a TikTok on them. So I do mini reviews on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So if you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, make sure you are, because every single product in this video will have a Reel or a TikTok video on it. But I am loving this right now, and it's perfect for summer, for no makeup days. If you just want to kind of look more put together, that is going to be your girl this summer. Speaking of summer, these are brand new limited edition body sprays from Sol de Janeiro. This is Tan Lines and Sea and Soul. So they came out with 3, but the purple one was sold out, so I was only able to get these 2. And you guys, I am freaking obsessed. These are the perfect summer scents. This one in particular is my favorite, and then this one, oh my god, it reminds me of sunblock, but like not in an over, like, you know how sunblock smells like when it doesn't have like a fruity scent? That's what this reminds me of, but with like a pinch of like fruitiness to it. Like, it's hard to describe. This one I don't think would be for everybody. If you were gonna pick one, I would go with this one. This one's more like fruity and girly. This one, I don't mind the smell. I actually love it. I'm very open to a bunch of different types of scents, so that sounds really weird, but you guys know what I mean. But this one is more acquired, I would say, but I love the both of them. I think they're both freaking amazing, and I wish that I got the purple one, but it was sold out. So maybe I'll go to Sephora and see if they have them in stock, but love these. So then, this is from Ulta. This is from Real Techniques. This is the 405 Instapop Cheek Brush, and I picked this up specifically for the shape of it, because I was like, this is perfect for cream contour and cream bronzer. So I picked this up and I'm loving it at the moment. This is the perfect shape, and this is the first Real Techniques brush that I've purchased in years. Like, I don't know why I just stopped buying them for some reason, but now I want to go and buy a few more and try them out, because this one I'm loving. Right, so up next is new from Huda Beauty. This is the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer. It's the concealer I have on right now, and you guys, if you're gonna go on TikTok for one thing, let it be the review on this concealer, because this concealer is amazing. And I was shocked when I was done blending it out. I was like, hold up, my under eyes look frigging perfect. You guys need to see this concealer in action, because it is mind-blowing. So how to pick that up. Then this is a restock. This is the Summer Fridays lip balm, my favorite lip balm to ever exist, and I just ran out of it, and I was like, oh my god, what do I do? So of course I picked up a new one, because I cannot live without this thing. Like, I didn't know that I was so dependent on it until I didn't have it, and I was like, what am I gonna use? What am I gonna do? So how to restock, because love this. This is brand new from NYX Beauty. This is the No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick, and you guys, that's all I'm gonna say is you guys, because this is amazing. This is the creamiest bronzer stick I have ever used ever. I put it on and it was like melting into my hand, but not in like a gross way. It was just the perfect amount of pigmentation, creaminess, butteriness, and it just went on my skin so smooth. So this may be a new favorite. Maybe a new favorite. I'll let you guys know. Sticking with LYS Beauty, this is the Triple Fix Serum Foundation. So I picked this up because it was $22 first of all. So for a foundation at Sephora, that's pretty cheap. And I have tried their concealer before and I loved it. So I had to pick up the foundation, and I'm so sad because I got it in a shade that's too dark, but I'm hoping that the more summer goes on, the more I tan, the tanner I will be. So I will hopefully be able to use this because this foundation, when I put it on, I was just in love with it. Same thing with the cream bronzer. This brand is it's such an underrated brand. Everything I've tried from them is so good, and I love that they're more affordable than most brands at Sephora. So this was $22. The bronzer stick was only $19. So comparable to like Makeup by Mario, Dior, Anastasia, Huda, this is way more affordable and the quality is there. So if you guys are interested in trying this brand, definitely try it out because everything I've tried from it so far, I love. Okay, so these are new from VERB. This is the Cleanse and Tone Purple Brighten Purple Shampoo, and then the Tone and Brighten Hydrate Purple Mask. So I'm on the hunt for a good purple shampoo that's really going to tone my hair and keep away any brassiness. So I've tried this once so far, and I think I need to try it a few more times to really like how to see the difference, if that makes sense. I want something that's just going to brighten my hair like these claim to do. So I'm going to keep these in rotation and try them a few more times, and I'll let you guys know. But my hair did feel really clean and super hydrated after using these. I just didn't see much of a difference in the brassiness. Like my hair is not brassy right now, but I want to prevent it, if that makes sense. So I didn't see much of a difference in terms of brightening. There we go. That's what I'm trying to say. But I will keep you guys updated on what I think of that. So then I picked up this lipstick. Oh my god, it pained me to buy this because this was so expensive. This is the Rouge Dior lipstick in the shade Beige Couture. So Miss Michaela loves this lipstick. First of all, of course, Dior's packaging is stunning. This is what the lipstick looks like. And it is honestly, it's a very, very nude lipstick. If you're not into nude lipsticks, then you may not like this. This is very, very nude. I do have it on right now, but I have a gloss under over it, and I do have a liner underneath it. But by itself, it is extremely nude. But if you're like me and you love a good nude lip, this lipstick is definitely for you. I love the formula. It's matte, but it's velvety, like it says on the cover. It says it's a velvet formula. But yeah, I really like it. For the price point, do I think it's worth it? I'll let you know. Not sure yet, but so far I'm really enjoying it. These are brand new from e.l.f. I've already tried one. These are the new Luminous Putty Blushes. So e.l.f. really kills it when it comes to their putty blushes. I don't necessarily like their putty bronzers, but their putty blushes I really like. And I love that they came in a luminous formula now. Let me show you guys. I tried this one. This is the shade Maui. So stunning. I have it on my cheeks right now. I didn't add a powder over it. I just used the I just used this and then went ahead and added a little bit of highlight. But of course, I love this. So stunning, and for $6 from e.l.f., you cannot go wrong. So these last three items are from Ulta. By the way, I didn't get these from Ulta. I ordered them on the e.l.f. website because they weren't available at Ulta yet. So these are from e.l.f. But up next, this is from Pureology. This is my favorite shampoo of life. This is the Smooth Perfection shampoo. You guys, I have frizzy hair in the summer and I have blonde highlights. So my hair is slightly damaged, frizzy. So in the summer, I'm looking a hot mess at all times. I discovered this last summer and I have used it ever since. This is the perfect shampoo to keep frizz away. I can't explain it. There is some magic in this shampoo. It is a for frizz-prone, color-treated hair, which is your girl right here. If you guys need a good shampoo that's going to maintain and control your frizz and give you a sleek shine, this is for you. This withstood Florida humidity. And anybody that lives in Florida, has been to Florida, you guys know the humidity is literally outrageous. So I knew that I was going to be outside one day and I needed my hair to look perfect. So the night before I used this, and you guys, perfection. The best for frizzy prone hair. you need to try it out. So I had to restock on my favorite drugstore concealer. This is the NYX Bear With Me concealer, the serum concealer that went viral like 8 months ago. I love this concealer, and the shade I have right now is too light. It's more like my winter shade, and even though I don't look tan right now, I am tanner than I usually am, and I needed a darker shade. I picked up the shade Beige, yeah, just the shade Beige, and I love this concealer. If you guys need a good, affordable drugstore, full coverage, lightweight, crease-proof concealer, look no further than this, because this concealer is the best. This last item that I picked up was so impulse of me. I just saw this and I love this brand. I love Soap and Glory, and I have the Heal Genius foot cream. This is a Heal Genius foot mask. So pretty much what you do is you rub it all over your feet, then you put socks on and you sleep with it, and it's heat charged, I guess. Oh, it's supercharged warming foot mask. I really like it. I tried it the other night, and I'm actually feeling my feet right now. I'm like rubbing them against each other, and they seem pretty soft. Yeah, there's like, they don't seem dry, and I get really dry feet. I know that sounds really gross. I hate talking about feet, but I do get really dry feet, so I love the Heal Genius foot cream. But this, so far, I am really enjoying this. So if you guys want to try a foot mask, definitely check out Soap and Glory's Heal Genius. I think you'll like it. So why did I think this haul was going to be a lot longer than what it actually was? I feel like I had so much more stuff, but this is literally everything that I purchased in the last like week or so. I know I have a sickness, you guys, but I do it for you guys. I do it so I can try products and let you guys know what's good, what's not good. So I do this for you guys, okay? Okay, so that completes this makeup haul. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, and please leave me your purple shampoo suggestions down below. Let me know the purple shampoo that works best for you. I would love to know, because I'm on the hunt, and like I said, I'm still in the middle of trying out this guy. I will let you guys know, but yeah, send me your recommendations down below. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because like I said, every single one of these products will have a review on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure you're keeping up with me on there. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!